Hi everyone. Today I want to talk something about how to learn a new language. I will take Chinese for example. First of all, welcome to my Chinese channel. The name of my channel is Chinese from Zero. That not means I will teach you from pinyin on. That just means please forget your mother language. Just learn like a child. Try your best to learn Chinese with Chinese. In university, my first major is English education. I have chosen Japanese for my second language. Our Japanese teacher can say no word of Chinese, but she used body language, pictures for teaching our Japanese. I think that is correct way. I think that is the first important thing for learn a new language. The second important thing is also like my channel. Learn Chinese every day. You can learn 5 words, you can learn 5 sentences, you can learn a dialogue. But keep on doing that. Keep on learning every day. You will improve yourself quickly. The second important thing, try to make friends with a native speaker or try to find a native teacher, such like me. Then practice your oral Chinese with the native speaker. When we learn English, my teacher always say that don't be afraid of lose your face. Just open your mouth, speak, repeat. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. One day, if you can speak Chinese in your dream, you've got it. You are successful. I hope all of you have a nice journey with learning Chinese. Okay, thanks for today. See you next time.